Hey everybody, this is Ken. I am back with another video. Haven't did this type of video in a while. I think it's been maybe skip last year or the year before, but the features are getting way less for Hardware 3 owners like myself. If somebody is watching this video, I'm sure not a lot of people will watch it. A lot of people get it out a whole lot faster. I try not to rush on these type of things. I just post these videos as a hobby. This year in the holiday update for Tesla owners, Hardware 3 got a little love. Not a lot, we didn't get everything. That's all you need to see with my face. Let's jump to the screen. We're currently on 2025.44.25.3. This is a second update. This was a bug fix update. I believe I received .1 when I first got this. First thing, dog mode live activity on iOS. Keep an eye on your pet. When dog mode is active, you'll see a live activity on your iPhone with live updates on temperature and climate conditions. If you have premium connectivity, you also will get periodic snapshots of your vehicle's cabin. This requires app version 4.51.5 and above. You'll see that on some of these updates with that iOS update. Dashcam viewer update. This is huge. This is something I think we've been asking for. Sometimes you don't know. You see video, you don't know if the car was in self-driving or not when people are making those claims. So what this is, this addresses it kind of. Dashcam clip now include additional details such as speed, steering wheel angle, and self-driving state. This information appears in the Dashcam viewer during playback on both the vehicle display and the Tesla app. This requires premium connectivity and that app version I mentioned before. And you just have to make sure you have to go into control safety and turn on the view camera via mobile app. So you can see right here, self-driving is activated, monitoring the speed, the steering wheel, all of that, turn signals, what drive you're in. But then you'll see it go off and you won't see self-driving available anymore, just like you did right there. So that's cool to let you know if self-driving is enabled or not. You can do that on the Tesla app. The only way to, whenever you download this footage, it will not work if you download this footage. So hopefully they update that, because whenever you actually download the video, it won't show up. You can only view it on your dash cam in car and through your Tesla app if you're just looking at it. Santa mode updates, added a festive snowman, trees, a lock chime, and snow effects for 3D. I'll just show you how it looks. Go to Toy Box, Santa. It does start playing, or you can just say ho ho ho, didn't know that. But it's a nice little visual of the snowflakes coming down. I really like that. It's really nice actually. It has the Tesla Optimus robot on there as Santa Claus. I doubt you can change that, but the detail, it's really nice detail. Alright, so that's nice. Let's go back. Turn it on if you would like that. Light show update, just another light show. I can kind of show you, I recorded one on the outside of the car a little bit, on the side and also in the inside to give you an idea, but I don't want to play the music because it might be copyrighted to put on YouTube, so I'm not going to do that. But it's a shorter one, I would say, but you can start them through the app. We've had that for a while now, or you can do it within the car and set a certain time where you can have that sync type light show that you've seen on social media. Paint shop. You can personalize your Tesla avatar with window tints, custom wraps, and license plates. It's in the toy box. So let's go here, toy box. Paint shop is the first option right there. I'm gonna hit customize. You can do like regular, customize how your car looks right here, right? But up here you have wrap. So these are the already like preset wraps you can choose. And down here you can create your own as well, which that's kind of cool. You can even change your tint. Okay, so it's set for 60% right now. See right here how you can see more in the car. Hopefully you can see that. I'll show you now. And it's blacked out. Look how it's blacked out. If you do 100% darkness, you can't see inside the car at all. So I'll show you from the side again. You can see in. Now you can't see in. And license plates. So right here, drag to position Don't know what that means. Drag to adjust position of it. So let's just change the background on there. Let's change it to like a red. Wish it would like stay right there while you're doing it. And I'm gonna just put my name right there. Okay. You can even change it to like this type of background. And you'll see right there, it's just changing with the background like that. Or you can just make it a color. Thought it would work. There it is. That, or I want to make it like a blue. And you see right there. Oh, Tesla. Okay. And then even when it's at normal, it still stays the same. So we'll just leave it like that for time purposes. Paint shop, really cool. Reminds me of the Cybertruck. I think they've had it for a long time. Navigation improvements, huge. You can now reorder your navigation favorites, set home or work by just dropping a pin. Suggestions, I would say. And some of them are from, I think all of them are from my favorites. Not all of them, but that's really cool. Now, if I just go somewhere random and I drop a point, like right here, any random point you can set as home or set as work, which is really cool. Makes it way simpler. But the biggest thing I would say is under favorites. Now you have where you can, do these in any order you want to. So if I wanted to like go to Home Depot and I want to move it up anywhere I want to, that's how it is. What it was before, when you first get your car, your most important destinations and favorites, you're going to put first. That moves to the bottom. You could never reorganize it. Now you can reorganize it however you want. Automatic hub lanes, it's just saying you have an option to use high occupancy vehicle HOV carpool lanes automatically based on time, passenger count, and road restrictions. So let's go to controls, navigation, and use hub. And right here you see, and when you hit the I for information, you have the choices auto, yes, and no, and it tells you phone left on wireless charger. This is a feature I didn't think I needed. It has happened to me before. I've left my phone in the car, but the car never locks. It knows it's in there. So if you leave it on the wireless charger and no occupants are detected, you go to controls, locks, then you'll see here, phone left on wireless charger chime. And it gives you, if compatible device is left on the wireless charger, vehicle will chime a few seconds after all occupants exit and doors close. This is how it'll sound. Now let me show you a quick video I showed you how it works. Check it out. One thing, if somebody is asking, another person I think I saw on social media, they were just sitting in the car, and most of you know, even if you're in the driver's seat, there's no activity in the car, and about 15 minutes or so, the car turns off. It will chime again. There's some fixes that they need to do because it should be sensing you in the car, you're in the seat, but it does work. You can now save a charge limit for your current location. So at this location, I want it at 65%. I'm gonna hit set limit at this location. That's all you do. And that car will only charge to that limit you set at that location. Minor updates, enable or disable wireless charging pads and controls and charging. So controls, and then I'm gonna go to charging. Then if you go down here, wireless phone charging pads, you can turn it on and off. Vehicle will now send a mobile alert if any cabin door is left open while dog mode is active. So that's cool. That's another thing to protect your animal. Somebody might steal animals, so Two more additional points. Add Spotify tracks to your queue right from the search screen. Allow your vehicle to share data with Tesla to support features like charge stats in the Tesla app. It's some really good updates, right? For Hardware 3. No Grok. I wish I could show you Grok and bake in and talking, but that's okay. Now back to my face to close out the video. That's all the updates for Hardware 3 owners. We're getting something. You know, we've had our cars for a little bit. I've had my car almost 5 years and I'm still getting updates. It's almost like the iPhone cycle. You know, I think iPhone update cycle is 5 to 7 years. Let's see how far we can push it. Let me know in the description below if you had a favorite feature. It could be for AMD users or it could be for Intel users like myself. This can. I'll see you in the next video.